By default, Windows 10 has one user account created and adjusted during the first boot of the system. However, if you are planning to use the computer with other members of a family or colleagues at the office, you can create or connect a separate user account for every person. It is convenient when you would like to set certain restrictions or, on the contrary, allow more freedom in using the computer, and also to monitor which websites were visited by each of the users. It is especially important when you have children and you would like to know what websites they visit or limit the time they spend at the computer. So let's begin. Go to Settings, Accounts, Family and Other People. Choose for whom you want to create or connect a user account. It can be for your family members or other people. For example, choose Other People. Click Add someone else to this PC. This is where you can enter a phone number or email of the user whom you would like to allow entering the system with their Microsoft account. Click Next and then Ready. If this person doesn't have a Microsoft account, there is another way to do it. Choose the person I want to invite doesn't have an email address. Here, choose Add a user without a Microsoft account. Fill in all fields and then click Next. Ready? A local user account is created and added. Click on it to change account type and add administrator rights, for example, or restrict access on the contrary. Now you can log in using this account. If you want to add a family member, then click on the corresponding button in the Family section. In this window, you can select the account type for a child or an adult. For example, you can choose Add a child in order to set up parental control options later. In this case, you will also have to enter the address of an existing Microsoft account or create a local one. Enter it. Click Next and then confirm your choice. Note: an invitation which needs to be confirmed was sent to the indicated email. After that, click Manage Family Settings online. You have come to Microsoft website into the Personal section, Your Family. In the tab Recent Activity, you can enable the option to receive reports on the last visited websites, used applications or games, and the time spent on the computer. Note: you can set up restrictions for using the Internet and view reports on the children's network activity only if they use Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer browsers. The tab Web Browsing lets you enable block inappropriate websites and enter the list of websites which will be blocked, or add a list of websites that will only be allowed to visit. In the tab Screen Time, you can set time limits about how long and on which days the child is allowed to use this computer. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was useful for you. If you like this video, click the like button below and subscribe to our channel to see more.